So this is Kate 24 hours later, and I'm going to be touching up her makeup. So, I mean, look how good you look for 24 hours. You slept, you were very naughty. You slept in your makeup.
I slept on my back.
Which I don't condone sleeping in your makeup, but she had to.
I had to.
A big week. But look how good your makeup still looks.
Oh yeah, it's pretty much like completely intact.
I know, it looks amazing. I'm just gonna like spritz it, freshen it up, add a little blush and lip.
Yeah.
You look great. I'm so impressed.
So first I'm going to freshen up her skin with the skincare mist. This one's by Juice Beauty. It's very hydrating. So it's going to nourish her skin and just help her skin come back alive. And then I'm applying this makeup setting spray just to help everything bind together and stick together and last a little longer. And then I'm going to touch up the brows, make them look a little more prominent. Now before I go into a little more blush, I'm going to apply a little setting powder to just set all her natural oils and make sure there's no oiliness or greasiness. You know, sometimes when you sleep at night, your skin can sweat a little. So we're going to set all of that. I'm applying more blush. Blush is always the first product to wear away, and I also think it's one of the most important products. It's really important that I apply this while retouching her makeup because this is going to give her some youthfulness. I just feel like blush refreshes your skin and just helps you look so well rested, like you have a natural glow, and like your skin's very healthy. So it's very important that I apply this blush, especially after she slept in her makeup, because it's really going to help refreshen her skin, and you're not even going to notice that she slept in her makeup, you know? And then I apply the facial mist again just to hydrate her skin. You really can't hydrate your skin enough. And it's going to help the powder products blend in more naturally with the cream products and just refreshen her skin and help it look a little more bouncy, like it's hydrated. Now I'm touching up her eyeshadow. Eyeshadow is also another product that wears away very easily. You just get a lot of grease and oils on your eyelids, so it can wear away, especially while you sleep. So it's important that I reapply some of the eyeshadow and just darken it. And then I'm going to go over the eyeliner and just help it look like it's fresh eyeliner, and make sure that line is still even and none of it wore away. And then she said one of her false lashes was falling off, so I'm applying a little more glue in the inner part. It's the inner part, you know, that darn inner part lash that always falls off of all of us. So I applied a little more glue to really attach it again so that it's not poking her in the eye all day. And now I'm reapplying all her lip products because of course that's gonna fade away after 24 hours and wear away, you know, when you eat and drink. So I'm going back in with the original lip liner by Makeup Forever. It's a very pretty, universal, flattering shade. And it's just gonna help your lips be more prominent. And then I go back in with that Lip Sense liquid lip liner. Now I'm touching up her hair, so I'm going back in with that Moroccan oil hairspray to just help it stick a little longer. This is 3-day-old hair, and honestly this is a great time to curl your hair because it has more grit to it, which is going to hold the curl. So if you have trouble curling your hair, try to let a little grease and grit grow and give it a couple days, and then your curl is really going to last. So I'm brushing through the curls very lightly and just spraying it, and you can reactivate the curl by wetting your hands and just kind of scrunching the curl and then spraying it and brush through it very gently. Now I apply a little more eyeliner on their lower lash line. You know that can wear away if you're rubbing your eyes, itching your eyes. So eyeliner is also a makeup product that wears away pretty easily and quickly. So I'm using her brown eyeliner. I know I used black previously, but that's okay. The brown's very soft. Second day makeup completed. Looks good as new, just like the first day. Now she's just freshening up her hair and giving you one more model shot, y'all. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned some tips and tricks on how you can freshen up your makeup if you happen to sleep in it and if you need it for day 2.